figured I'd make a quick video on how I clean my quad. I just took it to the car wash today, tried to get some of the extra residue off. Just a little bit of mud here and there, and just went over with some Windex. I just sprayed it down with a Windex and then quickly wiped it up with a microfiber towel, which normally would be clean enough, but I'm gonna go one step further just because I can. So the stuff that I use is this FW1 cleaning wax. So this is one of them, and oh boy, oh, where is it? Ah, there we go. And then I have my tire shine. What I do with this is I'll just do an even, just nice not very heavy, and literally over everything. Over the seat, all the plastics. Give it all, Max, watch out. Watch out, bud. Give it all a coat. The floorboards are still a little bit wet, so I'll just give a little extra in there. This from the car wash. And yeah, I'll leave this to sit. Leave it to sit, and then I'll come back. And I'll give it a wipe. And I'll do another coat. Oh, I might as well make my light bar nice and shiny, hey? Literally everything gets coated with this stuff. All the plastics, whatever. It works all the same. It says it's multi-purpose, and I've used it before for, I could even use it as tire shine if I needed to, because it works pretty good. And it sticks and it holds for a while. Like, if I go out, well, obviously there's no mud right now because it's frozen, but if I go out mudding and I go to rinse this thing off before the mud dries, the mud just falls right off. It's amazing. Makes my cleanup time that much quicker. Yeah, and this floorboard's a little bit wet, so I'll just a little extra in there. Yeah, get everything. All the buttons. It's a little greasy at first, but it wears off quick. On the handlebars anyways. All right, got the back sides of those. Well, I think that's good for the first coat. And then what I'll do now is I will sit. I'll put this. Oh, and one of those cans will probably last me about 3 cleanings. So, and now, this is what I do. I sit, I wait, I have a beer, and I watch my dogs frolic around. Oh, by the way, this stuff, yeah, it says mercury, but does it say it on here? It says GP Brewing, but this is brewed in Alberta here. And it tastes exactly like a Molson Canadian. And the best part, excuse me, tastes Yeah, it tastes exactly like most Canadian. And the best part is, it cost me $19.72 for 15 pack. Hell yes. So yeah, I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then I'll get back when I start doing a wipe. All right, it's been sitting for a little bit. I'll just wipe it off. Bit of the painted part, so you can see. The first little bit is it's a little bit filmy. Well, you can see scratches, but there is a film. But once that film dries off, you come back with a clean one of these, and it's just shiny. I don't think I'll even need to do two coats, to be honest. I just haven't done it pretty much all summer, so I thought I might need 2 coats, but I don't think I will. 1 coat jobby. Okay, I'm gonna continue on with this, and then I'll get back to you when it's all wiped down. Peace. All right, so there's the old Grizzly all wiped down. Nice and shiny like. It's all scratched up, but nothing I can do about that. But still a lot better than it was. Actually got a little bit of sheen to it. Tires are all nice and shined up. Footwells are actually clean for once, because they're almost never clean. What are you all excited about? We going somewhere? Where are we going? Where are we going? Huh? Dog tax. Hey, buddy? You don't say. Okay, hold on. Just let me finish. But yeah, so she's all cleaned up. And she's ready to go. I'm going on a January 12th ride. So I think the only thing I'll have to do is just top it up with fuel. And it's going to be shred and trail. Take care, guys and girls.